Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we're going to go, there's been an update to the parking lot sale. I think there's subtle differences, but we're going to just try to eyeball those just so you're aware, because the parking lot sale starts October 6th, this Monday. So we'll just go through it, give a brief update. If you find this helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing. It helps the channel grow a lot. We're almost at 15,000. Thanks to everybody. I appreciate you. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at the parking lot sale. So to the right, I have the original sale. This is about from a week ago. And then on the left, I have the live flyer right now. And one difference being is the links are now clickable. So we will looking at the clickable ads. And of course, I'll have the flyer just in case you don't have it linked in the description. But there were questions about which corded Bauer power tools would be included. And here they're sorted from most expensive to least. And we have the lower wall breaker hammer, demolition hammer, pull saw. Can get some pretty good discounts on these. Dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, the drywall sander, cutoff saw, abrasive, variable speed rotary hammer. But we won't go through these completely, but just so you're aware, it is clickable now. Some of the items that questions were in the comments are not part of the sale, unfortunately. But we continue. First page is looking exactly the same. Very, very similar. No changes. So let's move to page 2. Page 2 looks slightly different. Things have been moved around. Top yellow ribbon is the same, but it does look like they've added the 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO Secure technology. They did have the 2500 watt here previously and nothing else, but they've squeezed in another generator, $100 off. Normally $600, $500. So that's one thing to make note of. The steam cleaner that everybody's been asking about, 50% off. 50% off, or that I've heard a lot of comments about. That is, I believe, an excellent deal because it is grants, and you'll pay $20 for a run-of-the-mill steamer, not a grants steamer. So crazy discount on something that has very positive feedback. And so we keep perusing. Portland stayed the same. And then here's our next difference. They've squeezed in a mini steel toolbox. Normally $19. It's on sale 31% off for $13. So there's something to keep in mind. $12.99 on the mini toolbox. It's going to be on sale for the whole parking lot sale. And that looks like the couple differences on this page. We continue to page 3. Page 3, top ribbon looks the same. Daytona section looks the same. But again, as we get down to the yellow ribbon, passing up on these great deals on floor jacks, we see they've squeezed something in here. And it's the Harbor Freight low profile trucker hat. Normally $7. And that's going to be down to $4.98. So 28% off. Just a solid deal if you've been meaning to pick up the hat. Parking lot sale would be the time to pick up the hat. And so other than that, everything else looks the same. Go on to page 4. Top ribbon looks the same. Badland looks the same. Liquidation sale plus Badland. Kenway looks the same. Welders, again, nothing changed. And in this case, the bottom ribbon has stayed the same. So we'll continue to the next page. And everything looks like it matches here. And then the last page, of course, everything looks the same here as well. Focus in on the icon seat for $80. Great deal. 77 cents for the Harbor Freight bag. Can always get a couple for your free bucket this weekend and then pick some up during the parking lot. So while you're in, you might as well if you're going in for some of the other deals. But those are the updates. Nothing too big outside of the addition of the hat and the addition of the mini toolbox and the addition of that extra generator. So no big changes, but something that I would be remiss if I didn't let the HARBROs know before they went in for the parking lot sale. Either way, what do you have lined up? Who has their lists prepared? Again, good luck out there. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Get your free buckets. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.